iDigiView presents Getting Started with Digital Signage Easy, Part 2 of 3, Using Signage Samples to Create Production Signage. Let's begin by learning how to use signage samples for producing new digital signs. We open the Landscape Signage Samples folder. We right-click and play the folder, and the sample signage that follows, the fruits, toys, hotel, and so on, all 11 will play for 10 seconds each and then cycle through again because it's preceded by a duration command of 10 seconds. To stop this sequence, we simply play one of the samples. And we've played the retail sample, which is the one that we have selected for our new signage. We will copy it and paste it into My Site Signage, My Signage Development folder so that we can work on it. We'll change the name by going to Properties, and we will call it Sports Store. We'll now replace content in the main playlist Zone 1 with a medical video about anemia, which is located in My Videos folder within My Media folder. We'll also include 3 scenic images from our PC. So we delete the content. It's currently in that zone. And we go to My Media folder, My Videos, Medical Videos, and we select the video that is Medical Video Anemia. We copy that. We simply paste it into the first playlist. Now the first zone in a layout by default is active, and only active zones will play sound. This video media has sound and it will play in the first zone, so we are doing it correctly. We now select My PC, locate a sample pictures folder. It's on the C drive. And let's preview one of these, a sunset. So to preview it, I'll select the main zone to make it active. Just make sure it's active and play. And certainly looks great. So this content should be good for us. So I'm going to take it off of my PC. I'll take the first 4. And I'm going to copy them and paste them into My Images folder, because I may use these images in other signage. Now in the bottom information window you see that the images are transferring from the PC into Digital Signage Application. When it's finished, it will say Done. It says Done, and all the images appear in the My Images folder. We'll now select, we'll take the last 3, and I'm going to put those into our signage. So I copy them, and I'm going to put those into the first zone playlist. Paste. So now we have the content that we want in the main zone. I also would like to change the ticker. Right now, Zone 3 ticker is a custom ticker. So I'm going to delete the current custom ticker. And I'm going to the play commands where tickers are located. I select the RSS ticker feed samples, and I'm going to take the ESPN NBA ticker. I'll copy it, and I'll paste it into Zone 3 ticker playlist. Now I'd like to customize this a little bit, so to make it look neater, I go to Properties of that RSS ticker. I'd like to change the font color to white and the background color to black and the speed to 2. Now please note that you can create your own RSS tickers located on the internet by making a copy of an existing RSS ticker, changing the URL to the URL link where that's located on the internet, change the title to your new RSS ticker title, and select Save. Now we're going to play our new signage, which is Sports Store, and we should see 3 images play. That's 1, 2. Let's open it to full screen, get the big effect. There's the 3rd one, and then the video.
Our red blood cells make up
there's our video.
40% of our blood's volume. They're made continuously in the bone marrow, looking like flat.
So we will close this now we know it works. And we will schedule our PC to reboot Mondays at 6 a.m. So we'll collapse those folders, go to Schedule My PC, Schedule Reboot. I right-click, go to Properties, and it's Monday at 6 a.m. So we select Monday and change the time to 6 p.m., which in 24-hour clock time is 600, and save it. We'll exit the application, and the final step is to configure signage to automatically start up in full screen. So we right-click on the IE-HIP Manager icon, which is in the lower right menu tray, and we select Enable IE-HIP at Startup, so it automatically starts up after the reboot. We then right-click again, we select IE-HIP Connection, we select Full Screen, and select OK. And we see that it's going to open in full screen and play as we have planned. We hope you can now begin using signage samples for developing your signage and moving it into production. All of our signage application modules use the same process
blood cells make up 40% of our
for development. With this EASY module using slightly different terminology and a different folder tree structure than the client-server module. Feel free to email or call if you need help in getting started. iDigiView thanks you for taking time to view this tutorial.